Hi all, what's up? Today I want to talk about your drive and what drives drive. It's belief. Do you have belief? If you don't have belief, there's a way you can get belief, and that's through manifesting a version of yourself that does have belief. So that's not an excuse. What's the next excuse for not having drive? Is it money? Watching these videos costs absolutely no money whatsoever. YouTube is free. So that is not an excuse to not be here and learn to change your life this year. Who are the people that I want to talk to? The people that are on here because they want to make a change in 2020. They actually do want to make a change, and they're going to take action and actually make steps in order to make a change in their life. Whether that be through creating a product, through having a new service that you need to market. You want to learn how to market it and market yourself and learn storytelling. If that's you, you're in the right place. And if you're that person that does actually want to take the steps that's required in order to do so, if you are not bullshitting yourself and you are here to learn and put in the effort and actually make a practical change, then you're the person I want to talk to. Okay, because I don't want to deal with tire kickers, people that I don't need that energy. I'm serious about making a change in my life, so I want to deal with people who are actually serious about making a change in their life. If that's you, keep listening. Okay, if it's not, then bye. All right. So let's start. So what's motivated this video is I watched this video of the Affiliates for Tony and Dean's event that's happening. It's a live event. I've been talking about their training that they're doing, the evergreen training that they have. There's a link in my bio on Instagram that takes you straight to that webinar that's there all the time. It's a free training. I think they might be taking that down because they're going to do a live training, okay? It's all new material and stuff. And that's happening in 27th of February, I believe. Yes, it is. So what's happening there is from the 19th to around the 27th of February when they release the live training. There's from the 19th to the 27th, we'll be allowed to pitch that live training. Does that make sense? But you won't have access to it until actually the 27th when they release it. Does that make sense? Because they're going live on that day. Okay, and that's US time. So might be the 26th in Australia or the day after, the 28th. Okay, but I'll let you know about that close to the date. And that's for people that want to create an online or offline mastermind, workshop, course. They want to create an impact with what it is that they already know, because self-education is becoming the new norm. Okay, for an example, I wanted to learn marketing I created a feature film. I did a Bachelor of Communications, and how that happened was for an assignment for that, I had to create a film script. Once I created that film script, I thought, why stop here? I decided I took it upon myself to turn that film script into an actual film. Okay, I haven't finished it. It's in post-production, but point being is I turned it into a film, and I was in the process of wanting to learn how to market. So I was searching for people to learn from, and one of those people was Laurel Langmeyer at the time. She's a millionaire mentor, teaches people how to go from scratch to becoming a millionaire. That's her thing, right? So I wanted to learn from her. She had an event called 3 Days to Cash, right? So I went down to Sydney for that, for the purposes of wanting to learn how to market. So I learned some things. I learned about collecting leads, collecting emails, having a website, all that jazz. It wasn't the full story, okay? I needed a sales funnel, right? So that's when I sort of stumbled across ClickFunnels and creating a sales funnel and all that stuff, okay? And worked out that websites aren't the way to go. You need a sales funnel in order to direct people straight to one page, and then you collect their email, you promote them with an offer stack, and that's just the way to go, okay? The times are changing and websites are dead, and that's the way you direct people to go to that. But what's before that step is marketing. You need to you need to advertise on Facebook or Instagram, or do videos like this, have podcasts, have YouTube videos, etc. Driving people to that video. Like, you can use the actual video as a Facebook ad. Does it make sense? Where you can then have a link that takes people directly to your sales funnel. Does that make sense? So what do you put in that video? That's what I've been talking about, and that's your story. Okay, so you need to have a story. Why? Because you can't just go on the video and talk about how great you are and how great your product and your service is. You need to tell your story like I just did then, okay? Telling you about the film script and how I wanted to learn how to market. And that's what's brought me here. I studied a Bachelor of Communications, and then from then I did a graduate, well, I'm currently doing a graduate certificate of marketing, okay? I had the interest of going on to do a Masters of Marketing, okay? Because I realized the importance of marketing. But I have actually learned a lot of marketing stuff from being involved with ClickFunnels, and learning from the people within ClickFunnels, the ClickFunnels people themselves, as well as the community, the people that use ClickFunnels. They're the customers of ClickFunnels, okay? They're the community, and they get onto Facebook in a community Facebook group or the page, the business page on Facebook, and talk about stuff, okay? There's also the event called Funnel Hacker Live, which is happening right now in Nashville, that I haven't got to go to yet, but I really like to, where they get together and network and share ideas and stuff like that, and learn a lot there. So point being is, you can learn from other people that have already have that knowledge and that experience that can share it with you. You don't necessarily have to go to university. Does that make sense? So you can learn from other people. What I'm getting to is, what is it that you know that you can share with other people? Because there's people out there that want to learn from you, but they can't find you because you're not putting yourself out there. You're not putting your story out there. They're not engaging with you, liking you, trusting you. Does that make sense? So the only way they're going to do that is by seeing your video. Okay, so you need to create some videos with your story, with you telling your story. Okay. So I've actually created some YouTube videos on that, so go back and watch them, and that'll teach you the whole process of how to write your story, all right, so that you can engage your customers and followers to buy from you. Does it make sense? Because selling is not going to do it. Direct selling, you need to tell your story and get them engaged with you. You need to educate them while you're telling your story, and that's what's going to get them to click on your link and go to your sales funnel and buy your product or your service. Does that make sense? So that's how it's done. So go back and watch those storytelling videos. And for the event, just keep an eye out. Keep watching these videos. Like this video, subscribe, click the notification bell to keep receiving these videos, so then you can keep updated about the online training that Dean Graziosi and Tony Robbins have put together for you. If you want to create an online course, a mastermind, a workshop to educate your followers, to get your story out there, to get people to learn about your product, your service, about you, then you need to do that, and you need to keep watching these videos so that you can find out more information about when it's coming. Okay, it's going to be the 27th of February. I'm going to have my link because I'm an affiliate of the event. I promote it because I believe in it, and I realize that I know the value of it for people that want to create an online course, mastermind, workshop, and want to learn how to market it as well. I promote it because of that. And if you know Tony Robbins, he doesn't do anything by halves. He puts all his soul into helping people, into serving them. He puts so much great effort in just to serve other people. Okay? So he doesn't do anything by halves. He's going to put everything into this. So you're going to get the ultimate help, the ultimate teaching. Everything's going to go into it. And so if you want to check that out, if you want to click on my link, it's going to be, I'm going to be showing it from the 27th of February, the link. And you need to sign up, put your email in. And if you want, I'm going to create an offer stack myself of free stuff to give you just for clicking on my link. What I want to know from you is, what do you want? You need to tell me, write a comment down below what it is exactly that you want. that I should put in my offer stack for free to give you as a thank you and an ethical bribe to click on my link, okay? Because obviously I'm going to be getting a commission and I'm going to be getting incentives for selling this product, obviously. So of course I want you to click on my link. So I'm going to put whatever I can into my offer stack that's going to give you no excuses whatsoever to not click on that link and watch the live free training and purchase the product at the end that they're going to pitch to you, okay? All right, if you purchase that product, I'm going to give you an offer stack of a bunch of free stuff for doing that, okay? Does it make sense? So it makes it worth it for you to click on that link and to watch that free training and purchase that offer stack that they provide. And you're going to get my offer stack on top of it for free from me. Does it make sense? So what you need to do is when you purchase the product, you need to screenshot the affiliate link up the top, any sort of proof of purchase, get it to me, put it into my DMs, contact me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, and or email me. I'll provide the email close to the date, and then you can contact me, show me the proof of purchase, the affiliate link, and I will provide you with that free offer stack that I'm putting together just for you. Does that make sense? So if that's not an incentive, I don't know what is. I don't know how to motivate you anymore. If you want to make a change in your life, this is it. This is what you do. Get out there, create your product, create your own online course, mastermind workshop, create your story videos, get yourself out there and get those customers loving you so that they buy from you, because ultimately you're serving them, okay? You're serving them. Therefore, you need to get your belief straight, the belief that you can do it, get your product together, get yourself out there, get people knowing, liking, and trusting you. Okay? It's not about selling. It's about sharing who you are, telling your story. Okay? Does that make sense? That's what selling is. It's not direct selling. It's sharing your story. That's what's going to get people to buy from you. Does that make sense? All right. Thank you for watching me. I'm Miranda Wright. Bye for now. Mwah. Have a great day.